Hey guys, today I want to share one of my favorite oils for the face that I'm using currently. I've been using Cacay oil for nearly a month, and guys, I want to tell you how wonderful this product is. This is Cacay Naturals 100% Cacay oil, natural, organic, vegan, cruelty-free Cacay oil that comes from Colombia, Amazon. And I'm gonna tell you a couple of reasons why this oil is really good. This you can get actually on Amazon for $38, I believe, but let me tell you that this oil lasts forever. Basically, for me, how much I need this oil, I basically take a dropper, and as you see there is 0.5, 1 ml. I take even like 1/4 of this, not even. I basically need like 3 like these drops, 1, 2, 3, to cover my full entire face and neck including. Now, why Cacay oil is very good? Because it's high in linoleic acid. Linoleic acid is common ingredient in most vegetable oils. Cacay oil including linoleic acid works as an anti-inflammatory and helps retain moisture in the skin. Using linoleic acid can help to reduce acne and aid your skin in healing. It's very also good for UV absorptions. When Cacay oil is applied to the skin, it provides a barrier from harsh UV rays, which can help protect your skin from sun damage, which might lead to premature aging. Guys, you can go to Amazon. Actually, I'm gonna link down below under this video, and you can check out yourself reviews, amazing reviews. It's almost 200. It's 170 reviews for now. This day, I never knew about this brand until this brand reached out to me, and I will never post on my website that I don't truly believe. I really believe in that oil. First thing why I like this oil, because it's like a dry oil, doesn't leave oiliness on your skin after you apply. I have multiple oils, and I'm not like a big fan of oils. I use oils only like sometimes once or twice a week to kind of, especially after derma rolling, when your skin is kind of flaky, a little bit dry, I use oils. But this oil I actually use almost every day. I use 5 times a week probably, because it doesn't leave the oiliness, greasiness on your skin. If you apply, this oil dries off basically in probably like 20 minutes and doesn't look like you have nothing heavy, nothing crazy like greasiness on your face. And next morning when you wake up, your skin doesn't look oily at all. It feels like this oil absorbs really deeply into the skin and actually goes in the deep layers of the skin, not like something that just sits on the top layer and just like you feel that, oh, it's nice, it's smooth. I believe this oil is healing your skin from inside. On their website, it say that this is 50% more vitamin E than argan oil, twice the amount of linoleic acid than argan oil, 3 times more retinol than rosehip oil. This is wow. And then 100% Cacay oil, 100% natural and organic. Reviews are amazing, 4.5 stars. People love it. Even I read that some chemist is actually purchasing this Cacay oil and mixing with the other products. I haven't tried to mix with other products, but I believe that you can use serum, moisturizer, and then apply Cacay oil. It's beautiful oil. I highly recommend, guys, to you to try it out, and let me know down in the comments below if you have tried this oil and if you've seen results and if you like it, because I really like, I am towards like natural look and natural healing and natural approach, everything related to beauty. So I love Cacay oil. I really love. I've been using this for a month right now, and I highly recommend to you guys to try out if you wanna. I'm not forcing you, just check out if you want. Read reviews, read comments, read what people are saying. That's it for today. Thank you Cacay oil for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so much, and I see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.